The NB Network with Dee's Fodder.
Hey, it's me, Dee, and welcome to the NB Network. I've taken a little bit of a break from filming videos, so I realized, now that I'm caught up with editing everything that I had piled up, I better start recording again. Today we're doing something I love unboxing stuff. I really do. So I hope you guys do like these videos, because today we're doing Goddess Provisions, and I can't wait to see what's inside. I just get so much of, like, this week I was reorganizing and putting stuff away, and like this little area over here I got to work on some more. It's got tarot cards piled up everywhere because I keep getting more, and I gotta store them somewhere. I'm gonna do a video soon of the ones that I have, and like all my eyeshadow palettes are now over here, and it's filled up, and I'm like, I'm just getting new things and just redoing things, and going through all the stuff that I get in these boxes, like in Goddess Provisions. It's so nice that I could just decorate and add I just enjoy it. Okay, so enough said. This is the April Goddess Provisions box, and let's get into what is Goddess Provisions and how to obtain one of these boxes. All right, Goddess Provisions. It's a little box, right? But ooh, you hear it. This comes with a lot of different things, and I think it's like you get 5 to 7 items, and it's only $33 a month. $33 a month, and you get 5 to 7 different things. They're all vegan and cruelty-free items. You can use them for ritual, divination tools, there's crystals and all sorts of just fun things that you get in these boxes. And I feel like I've been getting my money's worth. So it's a month-to-month subscription. You can sign up. I'll put a link down below. I don't believe they have a referral link with them. If I do, it will be down below with the other referral links. So now, Goddess Provisions, month to month, $33 US, 5 to 7 products, all vegan and cruelty free, and it's all for your spiritual enhancement. So let's now dive in to see what is inside this box and see if there is 5 to 7 items, and let's see if we get our money's worth. Because I'd like to see at least $100, $90, in this worth of items in this box. So let's see what we got. Dun, 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 dun. Yeah, this is got my little Sharpie thing. Cut open the box. Okay. This is Alex. What is in here? Ooh. Now, they usually have a card, and of course, it's always on the bottom of the box. Yeah. Beautiful artwork. Can I just, that is gorgeous. So, inside here, it tells you what you got and gives you the pricing. So, let's see here. Now, the first thing I'm pulling out, rose quartz vessel necklace. This is pretty big packaging. Let's see here. This is what I see so far. Oh, look at that. This is gorgeous. I am so going to be wearing this. I can tell you right now. Let me see how long is the chain. Oh, this is great. This is like, oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Look at this. It feels, this rose quartz vessel necklace. It combines the healing energy and essential oils of unconditional love from rose quartz. Use the pipette to fill your vial. Wear it over your heart chakra and apply good vibes as often as you desire. Oh! So, it opens up like this. And you can put in a little bit of oil, essential oil in here, and just kind of carry this around. That is so cool. So freaking cool. And this item is $33? Yeah, $33. Well, this box costs $33. So I definitely got, right here we're seeing some money's worth. And this is so nice. Okay, yeah, I'm going to keep it on because I like it. All right, let's see what else I got in here. Third eye stained glass window hanging. Oh. This is to hang it, I'm guessing. Look at this, folks. That is gorgeous. And I got to hang this up. I mean, wow. That is beautiful. So, and let's see here. This is $22. Hang this handmade eye of intuition in a sunny window to illuminate your sacred space with a reminder that wisdom comes from within. That is so cool. And they even have a note in here. Please remember to get the hook out of the box before you toss it. That's before you recycle your box. Yes, they do recycle. Everything is made out of recycled products. The boxes and everything. So yeah, that's always a good reminder. People recycle. Okay, what else is in here? Positively mystic. Let's open this up. Oh my gosh, I need a bit of choke. Okay, so comes with this little card. This tarot card stand is an altar for the sacred divinatory work of pulling cards. I always like to pull a card and put one on my altar. And this is just a really nice stand. I like that better than what I've been using. And it talks about all the symbols, what they mean. And this little tarot card altar stand is worth $22. There is a coupon to buy more items off of the company that makes these. And this is just really cute. I really like this. I definitely will use this. You can see everything that's in it, right? You got the serpent, the crystals, the key, the all-seeing eye, and the triangle. This is stunning. Just stunning. Okay, so these are nice things. Now there's one here is Moonstone. What? Looks like a lip balm. It is a lip balm. Moonstone. Your lips will sparkle like moonstone when you wear this moisturizing vegan lip balm. Pamper the divine feminine within and call emotional balance, abundance, and heightened intuition. No, they did not actually grind and put crystals in here. That would be good on your lips. But it's to give you that look. Man, you know what? I always love a good lip balm. I always go through lip balm, and this is kind of pretty. It's kind of cute. I'm trying to see if I can open it. Oh. I like the smell to it. It smells good. Let me see. Yeah, there's like, it smells of fruitiness, and I like the fruity smell. Now, the last thing that's in here will be on Luminary Oracle cards. This gets me because This deck is $17. Now, this connect to the magic and healing of Lemuria. This colorful 56 card deck features ethereal symbolism and loving guidance to help you tend your heart, consciousness, and the universe within. Now, where is it? Did I put it over here now? Is it over here? Yes, it is. Okay, so I have this set, and this is the set they gave us. So I have a feeling that the cards are a little smaller. These are really huge, okay? And I use this deck. I've used this a lot in the pick a card, in a lot of pick a cards, and when I do personal private tarot, and I admit it's really hard to shuffle, but they are stunning, the artwork. So I'm not opening this up because I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this or give it away to somebody. You never know, because I got this deck, which is, I mean, folks, see how gorgeous. I just, I was drawn to these, and I love the art. I love third eye chakra. So, yeah, I have a bigger edition of it, here we go. But you see, it's a little different. There's a little difference there. But I think this is neat. They call it the pocket edition. So, let's see. So I got a bunch of really neat things in here. Let's wrap up. Let me tell you, we're going to find out if we are getting, if the products, the price, if I feel like the prices that they're giving on the products is, is really legit, because sometimes people might overprice something. So I'm gonna look into that. We're also going to total it up, see what kind of value we did get, or maybe we didn't, and total up everything that we have. And oh yeah, there is the digital Lemuria and Past Life Remembrance. There's a digital bonus. You can get this, and they have the link and the code. And that digital bonus is worth $111. I think I'm going to download it just because of that, for sure. You know what I'm saying? $111 for a download. It better be good. I'm going to look it up. We're going to look into this one, okay? So I'll see you back here in the wrap up. All right, welcome back. First of all, the digital download that's worth $111. It's like you get a couple videos, and they're like, now sign up to get more information in these courses, and it's like $222 for one course, and there's a coupon to save $88 on enrollment for one of the courses, and I'm just like, you get it. Not impressed. Not impressed. But that's okay, because with these things that I did get. Now, this is $4. I forgot to mention. This was $17. This is $33. This was $22. And the sun stainless glass sun eye was also $22. So the total is $98. $98. And like I said, I wanted to see, that was, that seems like what I was hoping for. So I saved $65 on a lot of things. Now, I already have this deck, but I know it's a great deck. I do like having these tarot card oracle stands, this necklace. I'm happy. Love the stained glass third eye chakra hanger. And so overall, yeah, this was just a really nice box. I do totally recommend. You can buy these past boxes, so you can go on their website and see, or just buy different items in their shop that you see here, or go to the actual retailers for these items. But either or, I would say this is a great deal. This was good. I feel like I got tools and things that I can and will and I'm going to use. And it kind of just tickled my little heart, you know? I'm like, oh, how neat. And you know what? I probably am going to give this away. It's absolutely gorgeous. I just don't need 2 decks of the same thing. So that is what we have on Goddess Provisions. It was a win-win. It's a win. Except for that digital download is not worth $100 and $111. And I'm not sure. I don't, to unlock remembering, I don't need to pay hundreds of dollars for that. Sure, it's a good tool. And some people may find that really helpful. There's a real skeptic in me here. I gotta tell you. $60 I could see, doing for a course, to take a course, sit for it, but $222 and then you give me an $88 coupon. I'm not seeing it, folks. I'm not seeing it. Oh my God. All right. But that's it. I hope you had fun. I had fun spending a little bit of time with you, getting into this. Subscribe to my channel, please. Hit that like button. I've got some tarot card readings and true crime tarot coming up soon. You guys are giving me great feedback and advice, and ideas. And remember to check the community tab because, hello, I do put in polls and your voting does matter. I do take that to try and get the ones that get the highest votes. So I love you all. Take care of yourself. Be kind to yourself. Be kind to others. I'll see you next time. Bye.